Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these Valentine chocolate heart bombs. So let's get started. You will need white candy melts, red colour milk to make pink and red, white hot chocolate powder, and mini marshmallows. Now the candy melt has melted, I'm going to use a paintbrush and draw my design onto my silicone mold. In the next heart, I'll be pouring my pink melted candy melts into the silicone mold and then brushing it upwards with a paintbrush. Once it's dry, I'll go back in with a second coat. I did the same thing for the last heart, but I accidentally added too much chocolate, so I had to tip it over a bowl and get out the excess and then scrape off all of the excess that was on the mold with a spatula. Now the hearts that I painted in the first one are dry, I'm going to pour in white chocolate so that it looks the same as the other ones. As you can see, the chocolate hasn't made it all the way to the top of the mold, so I'm going to go back in with my paintbrush and just make sure that it goes to the top. Now it's time to fill up the hearts. First I place the marshmallows, then I add the chocolate powder, and then while I'm trying to close it, it kind of makes a mess. I placed it in the freezer for about 5 minutes before I took it out of the mold. Now it's time to put the pink hearts together. This time I put the marshmallows and the white chocolate on one side and then melted the other half of the heart on a hot bowl for about 3 to 5 seconds and then put it together. Here you can see a little gap, so I'm using a tiny piece of chocolate to seal it. Now with a little bit of white chocolate, I'm going to drizzle on the pink heart for decoration. And here are the finished results. Here are the 2 hearts, but personally I preferred this one because it's 3D. If you liked this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye!